Do you actually know that there is a app that can actually pay you $5 for every photo you upload? It is real. So for every photo you upload, they are going to sell this photo at the rate of $10, and they are going to split the money into two equal parts. They are going to take $5 and they are going to pay you $5. So there is another way you can actually earn money from this app without uploading your photo, but just stick around to the end of this video. I'll be revealing that secret. So the first thing we are going to do to start getting paid for uploading your picture on this app is you go to your Play Store and you are going to install this app on your phone. So let me show you. So head on to your Play Store and go to search bar and type in FOAP, FOAP. So this is the app we are going to be using. So what you need to do is to install this app on your phone. So once it is installed, let's wait for it to install. Okay, so once it's installed, it's going to bring to this interface. Sell your everyday photos. Become a better photographer. Okay, so I'm going to click on start using FOAP. Now look at this. This man wants $200 selling this particular photo you are seeing on this screen in a mission for Bank of Africa. Then this guy, you can see, Carlo Prisco, I don't know, sold this photo for $10. Look at this person. This lady won $100 in a mission for MasterCard, selling this particular picture on you are seeing on this screen. So you can see that it is real. Now look at this guy, Patrick Addy, sold this photo for $10. So you can see that people are making money selling photo on this app. So you can also do this. So I'm going to show you step by step on how you can actually achieve this. So the next thing you are going to do is to, if you are yet to create an account, so click on create an account, but if you have created an account, just click on login and sign in. So I'm just going to sign up. So you are going to enter your username, your email, and your password. So I'm going to do that. So once you have done that, then you are going to click on create an account. So let's see. So just click on start. Then you are going to upload, put your country. So I'm going to put in Nigeria. Then click on next. Then female. Click on next. Then set your rate. I'm going to do that. So we are going to upload our photo. Then click on upload. Then click on the photo. So once you upload that, then click on publish. Then you come to this interface. Now the next thing we are going to do is, so we are going to click on the three icon beside mission. You can see that mission, the three icon there. Just click on that three icon. Then you come down to manage photos. So once you click on the manage photos, you can see the ones that have been already uploaded. So just click on the plus icon. Then it's going to take you to your phone gallery. Then you are going to pick the photo you want to upload. So I'm going to select this. So once you do that, the next thing is for you to add the description. So this is a creamy cake description of the photo you uploaded. So once you do that, then you are going to add your tags to it. So I'm going to add my tags. You can see. So I'm going to add cakes, creamy. So my description is lovely, sweet. Okay, once you are done that, just click on no. Are there people in this photo? No. So that is there any people under the background? So once you are done that, there is going to be published. It's going to be published. So this is how you can upload your photos for sale. Do you understand? So before we move to the next one, that is how you can get paid, how you can withdraw your earning. Now, there is something I need to tell you. If you are watching to this stage and you are here to subscribe to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and make sure you on your notification bell so that anytime we release video tutorial, you'll be notified. So just take a few seconds to subscribe, right? Have you subscribed? Okay. Now, there's something I want to draw your attention to that you need to pay attention to. This platform does not accept images that are generated with AI. They prioritize on photography. So if you're a photographer, you have a high chances of earning on this app. Because why I say that is because the photographer has mastered the art of taking a picture or an image, the way they position the object, the way they everything, even the camera they are going to use it is of quality. So I'm not saying you are not going to make money, but when you use a quality, even if you are using a phone, make sure it is of high quality camera. Either you are using iPhone or Samsung. So this way you have high chances of earning on this app. So now for you to get paid with this app, you are going to what they make use of this app is paper accounts. So there is a way. If you have not created your paper accounts or you're having difficulties in creating it is very easy. I have a video on how you can create if you're in Nigeria, because I heard that there are some people that cannot create paper accounts from Nigeria. So if you're in Nigeria or any part of the country, there's a video I create, which is a video tutorial. I'm going to leave the link either on the screen here or in the description box. Just click on the link, go and watch how to create a paper account so that you can start withdrawing your money, because they have not provided a means whereby you can collect your money directly to your local bank account. So we are using paper account, so it's not even going to take you 5 minutes for you to create. So just go and watch the video on how you can create your paper account. That is the means of collecting your payment. Do you understand? But to add your paper account to your so let's go to your app. You come to setting, then you are going to see cash out settings. So you are going to enter the email used to open your paper account here. Then you come here, you click on confirm paper email, and it's going to be added to your paper to your FOAP account. So now for you to withdraw, you come back to this three icon. Do you get me? You come back to this three icon, you click on it, then you come to sales, then you come to withdraw. So you can see, before you to withdraw, you need to have at least $50 in order to make a withdrawal. So that means you have to wait for your money to reach $50 before you can make a withdrawal. So that is how you can withdraw your money. So if you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and make sure you like this video. And if you have any question concerning this video, let me know in the comment section.